What's up, you guys? Welcome to week 2 of our e-learning experience. First thing is first, I hope everyone's family is doing well. Brothers, sisters, mom, dad, grandma, cousins, whoever it is in your home. I hope you guys are all happy. You're all supporting each other and you're taking good care of one another, making sure no one is really going crazy while they're cooped up for this amount of time. I know it stinks. But I know you guys are doing your best, and keep rocking on, keep it up, and keep taking care of those who are important to you, okay? That's first. Second, I'm sure some of you have found out already. If you haven't, I want to be very honest with you and very transparent. We will not be going back to Long for the rest of the year. The rest of our schoolwork will be done through e-learning. It will be online. And I know for some of you that's a troublesome thing to hear. You miss your friends, you miss your teachers, you miss going to a school where you know people care about you and want you to be as successful as can be. I know it's hard to not have that as an opportunity for the rest of the school year, but know that all your teachers are still here for you, we still care for you, and we still want you to be as successful as possible. So please, 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 work with your teachers, get in touch with them if they haven't gotten in touch with you. Shout out to Grant and Mawa and Ungwa and Jorge and a couple other folks that got in touch with me using a personal email so that they could get their school email. Really, really awesome stuff. Thumbs up, you guys. Great, great, great. But with that being said, we really need to be focused on this online learning and really know what's going on. So I want to make sure we understand how we're turning in our work, okay? Our work, we're turning it in on Teams. On Teams. Did you hear that? You're turning your work in on Teams in the assignments tab, okay? I saw a lot of you looked at assignments, a lot of you viewed it, but not many of you actually turned stuff in. And even still, some of you turned it in without there being any actual work for Mr. Fulton to look at, okay? So we need to be really paying attention when we are turning in our work. Do you have the information that Mr. Fulton asked you to give him? Are you answering questions? Do you have your notes? Do you have your ideas, your 3-2-1s? Do you have what you need to turn it in? Okay? If you don't know where you're turning things in, ask me. I want to make sure you understand what's going on. Okay? Now, some of you have tried to turn things in, but you kind of weren't able to get to it because those readings you might need to make an account on what's called Newsela. For the Aztec ball game, and for smallpox and disease from the Spaniards readings, you need to go to Newsela. You go to my assignments tab over here on the left. Over here on the left. And you go click it, and boom, bam, you'll find it, all right? But it might pop up and say, you need to make an account. Super easy. Super easy. Use your team's email, the exact same information. First letter, last name, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, @SLPS, and then your password. Okay? The exact same thing you use to get into Teams, you can use for Newsela. Now, if you go through the link on my webpage, you probably will not need this class code. But if you just go straight to Newsela, it's going to ask you, what class are you in? And you're going to use this code, V9CENS, okay? V9CENS. You put that in, you should see what's called Mr. Fulton's class with the 2 readings that we were supposed to do, okay? Okay. Now, this upcoming week, week 2, we got some different stuff. The first thing that's going to be a little bit different is the math practice. On my assignments tab, there's a link to my webpage, and on my webpage, under where it says US and Canada maps, I want you to go and click all the different links. US, Canada, physical features, US, Canada, major cities, US, 50 states, US, Canada, rivers, okay? Those are at least 4 that I got up there for you. I want you to work on those. Don't go crazy. You can work on them like 20 minutes a day. You're going to click around and try to correctly put what it's asking for into the map. And once you've done that a couple times, it's going to give you a score and a time. I want you to tell Mr. Fulton your best score, your best time, okay? That way I know you practiced. You send that to me, and I'm going to send you what I'm actually grading. It's going to be a form where you just answer some questions about the maps that you filled out, okay? The other thing that we're doing, you guys are going to be watching a documentary about Native American tribes all the way from Alaska all the way down to Chile, okay? What I want you to do, again, while you're watching, take some notes. Doesn't need to be really, really crazy notes, just something that reminds you of every tribe that you learned about. Because the two big questions you need to answer are, which tribe do you most want to be a part of and why? Is it their culture? Is it their clothes that they wear? The place that they live? The weapons they have? What is it? What do you like about that tribe? Okay. And the other part is, what tribe do you most not want to join? What tribe kind of freaks you out? Makes you worried? Like, whoa, why is that? What? Use your notes that you took while you watched to support your ideas, okay? I'm sorry, guys, I'm not going to be taken. I want to join the Inca because they lived in the mountains. It's not going to cut it, okay? You got to give me some detail. More about that is in the assignments tab. That's all I got for week 2. Again, if you have any questions, shoot me an email, tfulton@slps.org, or you can message me in Teams. That totally works as well, okay? Be smart, be safe, be healthy, take care of yourselves and each other, and I will be waiting for you guys to turn in your stuff. Awesome, and peace.